In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix attachments not showing in Outlook. If your emails look fine, but the attachment bar is missing or previews won't open, don't worry. We'll walk through reliable fixes for both the desktop app and Outlook on the web. Follow along and try each step in order. And you should see your attachments back where they belong. Let's start in the Outlook desktop app with Trust Center settings, because a disabled preview is a very common cause. Open Outlook. Go to File, then Options and select Trust Center. Click Trust Center Settings, then choose Attachment Handling on the left. Make sure Turn Off Attachment Preview is not checked. Next, click Attachment and Document Previewers and confirm the previewers you use, like PDF and Word, are enabled. This controls whether Outlook can display previews inside the reading pane, which is often mistaken for attachments being missing. Next, check the message format. In rich text format, attachments can appear embedded in the body of the email rather than in the usual attachment bar. To avoid that confusion when composing, switch to HTML. Go to File, Options, Mail, and under Compose Messages, change the format to HTML. This makes attachments show up consistently and improves compatibility with other mail apps. If things still look off, clear Outlook's cache, which can become corrupted. Close Outlook completely. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type %local app data %Microsoft Outlook Chrome cache and press Enter. Delete everything in that folder. Don't worry, Outlook recreates these files when it restarts. And this often resolves stuck previews or missing attachment indicators. Add-ins can also interfere. To test that, open Outlook in safe mode by pressing Windows key plus R. Typing Outlook FaceSafe and pressing Enter. If attachments show up in safe mode, an add-in is likely the culprit. Back in normal Outlook, go to File, Options, Add-ins. Then click Go next to COM Add-ins. Uncheck Non-Essential Add-ins. Restart Outlook and re-enable them one by one to find the offender. It's also a good idea to update Office. Go to File, Office Account, Update Options, then Update Now. Updates frequently include fixes for display and preview issues. If you are using Outlook on the web and attachments aren't visible, clear your browser cache. In Chrome or Edge, open Settings, go to Privacy, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Then in Outlook on the web, open the gear icon. Select Mail, choose Layout, and make sure Inline Previews or Show Attachments in Message List is turned on. Try these steps and your attachments should reappear. Thanks for watching.